Why did famous megaprojects struggle with project scope? Imagine building something so big it takes years and thousands of people to complete. Now, think about why these huge projects often hit snags with their scope. It's not just bad luck. Several factors come into play that make managing what's included in the project really tricky. First, scope creep is a major issue. This happens when the project's requirements grow beyond what was originally planned. For example, if a city is building a new airport and decides to add extra runways or terminals halfway through, that's scope creep. Without clear boundaries from the start, stakeholders might keep asking for more features, which pushes up costs and delays the project. Next, many megaprojects are about new technology or designing something never built before. This means the scope is often uncertain at the start. When you don't have all the details early on, it's easy to underestimate how much work or money is needed. As the project moves forward and new information comes in, the scope needs to change. This can cause schedules to slip and budgets to blow up. Another big challenge is coordinating many different groups. Governments, contractors, investors, and local communities all have their own ideas about what the project should include. Sometimes these interests clash, leading to scope changes or disagreements. When everyone isn't aligned early, it's hard to keep the scope steady. External factors also play a role. Rules and regulations can change, environmental concerns may arise, or political shifts might demand modifications. These outside influences often requiring scope adjustments to stay compliant or respond to new priorities. Finally, many megaprojects lack strong change control processes. If there's no formal way to review and approve scope changes, it's easy for the project to grow out of control. Without clear procedures, scope changes can happen haphazardly, causing delays and extra costs. To avoid these issues, project managers need to define the scope clearly during the initiation phase. They should involve all stakeholders early, so everyone understands what's included and what isn't. Setting up solid change control procedures is essential. This means any scope change must be approved and documented before it's implemented. Regularly checking progress and communicating with the team helps catch scope issues early. Using risk management techniques can also prepare the team for external changes, like new regulations or market shifts. By mastering these skills, project managers can better handle the complexities of scope in large projects. This reduces surprises, keeps the project on track, and makes success more likely. Managing scope well is about being clear, disciplined, and flexible enough to adapt when needed. That's how big projects turn into big successes instead of costly failures.